Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is an unboxing and review of a case I purchased for the Google Pixel 6a on Amazon. In this case, the brand is called PYue, P-Y-U-E, and I'll link in the description to where you can purchase this on Amazon. In terms of packaging, it is nicely packaged in a cardboard sleeve, that's how I'd describe it. And on the inside we have a little standard transparent bag, which I'm just about to open up. And there we have it. So this is the case for the Google Pixel 6a. And we'll take out the protective styrofoam, and on the inside of the case we actually have some instructions. It essentially tells you how to use what some would call the love handle or the finger ring for holding the phone, but I don't think we really need those instructions. We'll leave them as they are. Let's pop the Google Pixel 6a into this case. Now I'm doing this buttons first, the right hand side first, and it fits quite nicely. It's a rugged case, it's a big bulky case that will protect your Google Pixel 6a quite well. At the top we have the single cutout for a microphone hole. At the bottom we have the cutouts for the microphone and speaker grills, as well as that USB Type-C port. On the left, no cutouts, but a bit of ridging near the corners for the case. And on the right hand side, same ridgings on the corners. And then we have the power button, which is not sticky, it works quite well, and the two extensions for the volume rocker. So all good there. On the back we have a pretty decent cutout for the Geordie LaForge visor, which is distinctive to the Google Pixel 6a. This one has quite a bit of depth to it. It goes in around about 3-4 millimeters at the middle of it, so that's pretty good protection for the camera module. And then obviously you've got the rubber case with the detailing and that love handle or finger ring that some people find so handy. This acts as a stand for the phone, as well as an easy way to hold it and be less likely to drop your phone. At the front there's around about 1 millimeter of lift, so if you were to put it flat on a surface you're less likely to scratch the screen of your phone that way. So overall I think that as far as rugged cases go, for around about £8 sterling you're getting a pretty good deal. Now I'm going to use the fingerprint scanner on the Google Pixel 6a. Let's look at this on Amazon. Yeah, it's $7.99, and you can also get 10% off on Amazon UK. I'd say that for the price, this is a decent rugged case. It offers good corner protection, it has all the right cutouts, the buttons aren't sticky, and you've got a love handle at the back. Very handy if you're maybe going to be using this whilst traveling, when you're, for example, on public transport and being jostled around. This might be a good way to avoid you dropping your phone, and even if you were to drop it, it seems to be well protected. So thanks for watching this quick unboxing and review of the PYue case for the Google Pixel 6a. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories like phone cases, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. I'll link in the description to where you can purchase this case. If you do so, you will be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them there. But for now, again, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.